this video, you're seeing one of the most important moments in our development. We are testing the Striker system with a dual primary circuit and a 960-liter storage tank to observe the real behavior of the system under high temperatures and pressure. The video shows footage from the workspace, where the full test is being carried out. High-performance circulation pumps, the control and distribution cabinet, connected circuit lines, pressure and temperature gauges, around 150 degrees Celsius in the primary circuit, over 100 degrees in the piping, and stable readings on the control unit. This is not an animation or a presentation. These are real tests, real values, and real technology in the development process. We are operating with temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius, a stable pressure of around 5 bar, and very fast heat transfer into the secondary circuit with a high delta T. Striker continues to advance. Each test brings us closer to the final industrial version.